In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Squarespace support. Whether you're running into a problem with your website, need help managing your billing, or just have a question about using Squarespace, knowing how to connect with their support team can save you a lot of time and frustration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access their help resources, search for answers, and even chat directly with a support agent if needed. If you're new to Squarespace, you'll find a link in the description to create an account and get started. First things first, let's begin by opening your Squarespace dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage your website, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Help. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to Squarespace's support resources. Now, keep in mind, it might take a few seconds to load. This is usually indicated by a spinning icon, so don't worry if you don't see the support center pop up immediately. Once the Help Center loads, you'll notice a search bar right at the top. This is where you can type in keywords related to your question or issue. For example, if you're trying to connect a custom domain, fix a billing problem, or add products to your website, just type those keywords into the search bar. The great thing about this feature is that it generates a list of articles that explain common problems step by step. It's a quick and easy way to find solutions. Now, if you're not sure what to search for, don't worry. You can explore the categories listed below the search bar instead. Scrolling down, you'll see topics grouped into categories like account, billing, commerce, and domains. These categories are designed to help you navigate Squarespace's resources by focusing on specific areas of the platform. For instance, if your question is about payments or subscriptions, the billing category would be a great place to start. Clicking into one of these topics might even uncover answers you hadn't considered searching for. It's always worth taking a moment to browse here if you're unsure what you need. Now, if you've gone through the articles and still can't find the answer to your question, it's time to connect with a support agent. To do this, look for the chat widget located in the bottom right corner of the Help Center screen. Once you spot it, click on it. This will open a live chat window where you can directly communicate with a Squarespace support agent. The best part? Live chat is available 24/7, so no matter what time it is, help is just a few clicks away. When the chat window opens, take a moment to clearly explain your concern. Be as specific as possible. Include details like any error messages you're seeing or the steps you've already tried. Providing this information upfront helps the support agent understand your issue and resolve it more efficiently. Don't worry if you're not super tech savvy. Squarespace agents are trained to help users of all skill levels, so they'll guide you through the process step by step. Finally, follow the instructions provided by the support agent to address your issue. They might walk you through some troubleshooting steps, provide a direct solution, or even escalate your concern if it requires additional assistance. Either way, by the end of the chat, you should have a clear path forward to resolve your problem. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to contact Squarespace support, whether it's through their Help Center articles or by reaching out to their live chat team. If you've got any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.